Actually, it's really weird when people just sit down and start gossiping about someone without actually knowing what that person is really passing through or what is really going through that person's mind. But you just felt it's right and it's good for you to just sit down and just create a story about somebody's life and just like, let me just talk about this person without thinking if it's going to hurt the person or not. But at this point in my life, I don't really give a fuck about what you talk about me or what you gossip about me. What I think most important is my happiness. You can be there, you can be my family, you can be my friends, you can just sit down and start gossiping about me. For me, I don't give a fuck about family or friends anymore. You understand? Life is too short. So whatever I do with my life, is it I smoke, I drink, I go to club, I do anything, it's my fucking business. If I'm going to die today, it's none of your business. Because nobody is not going to die. If you are perfect, tell me in one part in the Bible where it's written that nobody should drink. Where is it written that God said don't smoke? Or written where God said don't go to club, or where they said it's just for men, it's not for women in generally. I really want to know about it.